There's been a huge uptick in the use of alternative data in credit decisioning. And alternative data can really reduce the fraud risk for any institution because it's looking at an individual from a different perspective, not from the same old perspective that all the fraudsters know. It's fairly easy for them to create a persona and put data out there that makes them look like a legitimate customer, where alternative data looks at it from a different perspective, a broader perspective. So I'm looking at utility bills, and I'm looking at rent information, and I'm looking at public records, and I'm looking at a lot of different sources of data. It's very difficult for a fraudster and very expensive for them to be able to fool all of those. So the chance of me bringing in a fraudulent person goes down extremely low when I'm using alternative data, because they just can't fool all of the sources of data. Whereas if I focus on one set of data that everyone else is focused on, it's fairly easy for a fraudster to be able to fool that data source and make me feel like they're a real customer that I want to grant credit to. But with alternative data, I see a much broader perspective of that individual, and usually I can see where the fraud is and where the fraud's not.